gotta do it again.
All right, I got you. So shouts out to Arailyus and Arailyus Kingdom. But so if you ever do your YouTube intro, your content, whatever, it'll be like ARAILYUSK.
I love that.
I think it's fire.
Hey y'all, it's Arailyus. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna do too much talking because this is a really quick video. When I went to Florida back in July, I went to this restaurant called Brio, and they had this Sicilian spaghetti. And so I wanted to try to recreate it. So, yeah, I bought, Googled the recipe, bought the stuff, and I created it myself. Yeah, just watch along. This was a really quick video, and this ended up being really, really good. I felt so fancy cooking with artichokes and olives and stuff, but it actually tastes really, really good. Like, comment, subscribe, share. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.